In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate the read confirmation that you have on Instagram. The first thing we are going to do is go to our Instagram. On Instagram application, and once we are in the menu boxed, we go to the upper corner right where the message. Select here and select a chat. This chat and touch her name and select privacy and save. We select the button blue. Here read my message. Gray, don't read my message. Read recipes. This is all. It's very quick and easy. The person cannot see if you read or did not read the message. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tell us that if you need any video. Thanks for watching.